Imagine this. Every time you sneeze, you swap genders. A simple sneeze and your world flips. How would this change your life? Would your wardrobe be double the size? Would you need outfits for both genders, just in case of a sneeze? Think about relationships. Dinner dates might start with you as one gender, but a tickle in your nose could change everything before dessert. In sports, could you compete in men's leagues one day and women's the next? Would teams strategize around the allergy season? How would society adapt? Bathrooms, clothing stores, gym memberships, would everything become unisex? And imagine the deeper implications. Could experiencing life as both genders increase empathy, understanding, and equality? Or would it lead to confusion and complexity in identity and legal issues? If sneezing could really swap your gender, would you carry pepper to change on purpose or allergy pills to stay the same?